Hello, now we're going to talk about cutting and fire polishing glass tubing. Glass tubing is used for many things, but mainly it is used for collecting gas by displacement in a closed system. When you need to change the type of glass you have, you can do a few things. One is bending, but now we're going to talk about cutting. It's fairly simple, but it still must be taken proper care of. To start, make a small notch in the glass tubing using a file such as this. You'll see that there's a small notch in the tubing right here. Now if you look at it, you must make sure that it is deep enough before you move on. So I'm going to add a little bit more depth to my cut. Small notch is all that's needed. And the next step is fairly simple, but sometimes it doesn't work out that well. Put your thumbs directly behind the notch, brace the tubing just like this, and snap it off perfectly like that. If you look closely, there are no shreds or shrapnel. It is a perfectly clean cut. So now it can be used for many different things and is more versatile than a cut which was done poorly, like on this side. Now you take your ends that you have, which are still a little bit raw from being snapped, although they're fairly smooth, and the next step is to just polish them in a Bunsen burner. Now the Bunsen burner is not lit right now, but it's fairly simple. Just move it around with tongs or whatever, and move it around until it's perfectly polished. That is cutting and fire polishing glass tubing.